Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about smog checking your vehicle. Just to let folks know, there's really two things you need to know when looking for a smog check station. One, does your vehicle require STAR certification station to have it smogged, or just a regular smog check station? Pretty much the two options. The other thing to be concerned with when smogging a vehicle is, will the vehicle pass or not? Fortunately, most vehicles today that are 2000 and newer, unless they have a check engine light or something's been altered on the vehicle, they will pass smog. We do 2000 and newer vehicles plug and play. We actually don't do an emissions tailpipe test any longer. The vehicles that do fail tend to have electronic problems that have been picked up by the car, and there's actually a check engine light on. They can vary anywhere from mass airflow sensor problems, oxygen sensors, throttle bodies that are electronic, all the way down to just a failed gas cap leaking when the evaporative test is run on the vehicle. All these electronic items are checked by the car itself, and when we plug in to check the smog on the vehicle, it reads all these concerns. And if there's something going on, it will notate it and the vehicle will fail smog. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.